Here's the good part. I'm not going to have you label it here because you end up with these little hands and dots and things that are already complicating a very small screen. So I'm going to have you save it first. So save it as a snapshot. Now I'm going to go down, bottom left, you see the media player? Open that. I'm going to look for my media, which is this little second button, and pull down so you can see the latest one I'm doing. And there it is. Now I'm going to label it in here. So click on draw, and I totally love this arrow. So I'm going to put my arrows in first. There's going to be my nucleus. Here is going to be my cell membrane, pretty close to the edge there, and then just the cytoplasm. All right, so now I'm ready to type in the labels. So put it kind of close here because this one doesn't let you move it around. Oops. I'm underneath there, but I'll live with it right now. And then, all right. So let's say I love that. I'm all done. If I didn't like it, I could delete it all right there and start over. I'm going to save. I'm going to title this one Labeled Cheek Cell. And now let me go back to my media. Oops, I'm in my media. Let me get out of it and then pretend I'm going back. Boom. Scroll down, and there's my labeled cheek cell, and it even tells you the date that I made it. That's the one. Now you're going to take a print screen, whatever your computer does. It might be a screenshot, but on mine, it's Control Print Screen. And then I'm going to open up the file that is in our class. I'm going to download it, and now I'm ready for the cheek cells right here, let's say. So I'm going to paste those in. On my computer, I like to do Control V. Figure out how you paste on yours. It's all up to you. Now I'm going to, can you barely see up at the top? I'm going to click on that crop. I'm going to crop it, and this changed. So now I'm going to go down and crop that down just to my image that I just worked on, and get rid of all the rest of that. And hit enter, and then click on it. And now, as you can see, I have my image, and I click on it, and I can drag these corners to make it as big as I like. That I can grade. All right, you will save this on your computer when you have it all done, and then that is what you attach through the link in the assignment link in our class. Hope that answers your questions.